Did you know that one of history's most devastating fires might have been started by an emperor who wanted better real estate? In 64 CE, Rome burned for 6 terrible days. 10 of the city's 14 districts turned to ash. While Emperor Nero wasn't actually fiddling during the fire, he was in another city called Antium. Something much darker was happening. Right after the flames died down, Nero began building the most outrageous palace ever imagined. His golden house covered 1/3 of Rome. It had a 120-foot-tall bronze statue of himself, dining rooms with ivory ceilings, and walls covered in gold. Some rooms even had rotating ceilings that dropped flower petals on guests. But here's the shocking part. Many believe Nero started the fire on purpose to clear the land for his palace. When Romans grew suspicious, he blamed the Christians and had them burned alive as human torches in his gardens. Thousands of Romans stayed homeless while their emperor lived in unimaginable luxury, all built on the ashes of their destroyed city.